Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Thanks for the input that you've been making this morning. Question Mensa, Yendi MPP in Komokaka, Honorable Canadian Japan, or say Obibia or anybody NPP will be an or their channel. And Obibia also anybody be an sense of fan channel.
Anybody that feels I've offended him, I apologize. That is ready to fight. It's not going to be easy in 2028. It's going to be tough. But with unity, I assure you, we have the men. We'll gather the men, put them together, and there will be a showdown.
Pure FM 95.7. Radio for the Royals.
Kwasi, Ken forgives.
No, he's forgiving who? He should forgive himself because the afternoon the pronouncements are especially the supporters who come say the meme cosimen's munya granka pre-radio kamamu frame view nanka uja omo support to Ken Kwa Nemra because omo penokre omo say Ken kanokre no be na make catch no but I say Ken so be offended no now oti my say be offended Kenda. He has been offending everybody, including the sitting president and the vice president. He's the first person to have stood outside. Minti bi da so be a wopas wo di o mampanyi eja bonte se mi donyame. Sa kasa no ye meti for na kokon sa mi donyame no. I mean who does that? Street yeah. Mi donyame mema mo show down.
More for the gangster.
The best. No. And wo kikan ya hwe Ken. So benefits so yero sempia ye boom entoko kwaji kun ya oni anas benya problem no na nya ntoko anas investigation kan ni mu da kwasi nya ntachi za number 12 as then e ba ya or implicate kwasi nya and the two no because na no yonko ni kwasi nya ntachi so be defend kwasi nya ntachi at all cost against anas na some ba ya ye dina tema idea ma shole yu kura kwasi no ko ate kwasi nya ntachi o mai mu ha wate obo wakrada adai Ken say MPP are offending her, and I know we are offending all the chair. We are offending. Coming, I does my read article. Be say MPP a move. Be a he was offended. Obi anya no sister. Opa omo body. Obi anya no. But me meet my travel. Be nipa be 100 that Ken. I offend you omo needlessly. Unprovoked.
Yeah. There are instances I know Canadian Japan indicate say MPs be a betray. No, only me fan.
That is between
somewhere.
Yes,
somewhere. February 2024. Ghana Web reports that NPP. I can't MPP primaries. I can't forgive MPs I supported who betrayed me.
He said MPs. He didn't say MPP.
So MPs that I supported who betrayed me.
I am defending MPP right here, non-MPs. Oh, any power no offending offended. That one is there. But say party no. If you are not address a phone same who knows on number can say party no. I defame no. What? Defame? You took a whole position, a ministerial position for 1 year for ransom. Not a brutally. The frog now. And the party kept faith with you, kept the post until you came as an Jeffrey with them. And you one post to Minister Pahua. She was also a ranking in Parliament. They kept all of that for you, young girl. I just have to. And they say, "Oh, Papa, Aji, Abuba, Dominico Benyantino, you not a mumuda." So what you be one Papa Niwa, Dominico Benyano, and before any about who you are and answer the other. Fine. Even a Shantarojan crime people trying to put my crown. They lost 7 seats. The party hasn't collapsed. I just have them say party now offending into the man on radio tour. And then go for bombs and mano. And also now have a vision and say, oh, we are why Bonibia. Me see MPP near Canada Japan Bonibia. Or power minimum homeless studio had in debate for back to back.
And I wait and I pay there. Wait a make a be a
Mammiaza.
No, or can you
Mammiaza, we are not. Me ready from PFM our PFM TV online and I me go ready here and go ahead comments she'll be shocked. They can't be kind but Kumasi for pan them is everybody told him say she should shut up. On people are even saying I can read some for you right now because it's still there.
This comment from Honorable Ken should have been made before the election.
Thank you. What I say? Why you ufisa? To kwa kanapa no pay. Samri nkoti TV so minwe papa. Minwe. What TV so no any station ye untiaka on to time nti nensem ema. man tokwa me to omo ho ato ba bia ni kwa so obudin o radio so nyina obo what down was obe president ye say o man no arentia dem pa na to Ghana Bawumia ho ameto aba makai me to aba makenda say Bawumia anyhow. I'm telling you. If it's about 2028, it is not about apologizing and becoming sanctimonious in public and trying to make people feel say you are a changed man. No, a leopard doesn't change his spots. What I say, on China monko promise ni view, and all corner Bawumia co promised 100. Bawumia by 100. He can cry foul, say that na make got forms. What are you talking about? Even in MP's crown common constituency, come other place go MP beat back so about the top forms. Since I'll be forms nasa. They don't complain. They don't come on TV and chastise the party. Of course, they complain in their own houses there, but they don't go about and try to bring the party down. Open call for Mama party in Lusu 2024 elections. I can Japan come home. Japan, Alanche Martin, Ocheche Menzabonsu, to me, Sanko for the account on a party in Elusia, and no more commandant to Moseche Menzabonsu, because I the one count who could try levy cake. Since I won't cake, you won't be done. It was a very annoying cake. As I did buy every day social media. Somebody. And then what people are saying because they say, want to miss my Napo pronouncements, Kufado arrogance and corruption. And they are people in MPP must be serious. Other than that, it will remain in opposition for a long time. Not forever, but for a long time. If they are serious, some of these elements will not be talking the way they talk. I don't want to hear anything about Kensi say. On your campaign, Obia no wanting. At the pana Bawumia Ekafa Ken. O Kaibako. One statement here about Bawumia Kafa Ken what you say it was in Baptist. Not one. But can di Bawumia ne irinyathem. Oh memwa. And people are clapping for him. So who feels that is not even an apology. If you feel somebody offended, I forgive you, forgive me. That is not it's not coming from a good place. Feels.
Kwasi, Dr. Frederick Ose who's on a medical superintendent, Jaben government hospital, or comment about saying legalizing we need it. Or no, you know, pay or lunch, no breakfast in Yadan, so more fire. Good morning, Kwasi Simtim, Misa KSM, A show. And we indicate is on to me fan to be or be training. These are some quotations from the interview. I say this year I will be 64 years. That's last year. So this year I'll be 64 years. So I will not allow anybody to treat me like I am trash. For that I am sorry. So let them do their own thing. Then we stay back. It is not every MP who didn't vote for me that I am angry at. No, everybody has a choice. But the very people who were my friends that I have helped to bring them to parliament, it is not about the betrayal, but the bad things that they said.